Content marketing is an effective way to earn money online by creating and marketing content. Here are some examples of how you can make money with content marketing. Blogging. You can create your own blog and produce content that aligns with your interests. By sharing original and valuable content on your blog, you can build an audience and then monetize through methods like advertising partnerships, sponsored content, or affiliate marketing. YouTube videos. YouTube is a popular platform for content marketing. By creating a YouTube channel, you can share educational or entertaining videos. If your videos become popular, you can earn money through advertising revenue, brand collaborations, or sponsored content. Ebook or digital content sales. Utilize your expertise in a subject of interest and create ebooks or other digital content for sale. You can sell these content pieces on your own website or through platforms dedicated to digital product sales. Social media content. By creating popular content on social media platforms, you can collaborate with brands. Brands may pay you to promote their products or services or appoint you as a brand ambassador. This way, you can earn income by creating social media content. Content writing. If you have strong writing skills, you can earn money by writing content for different platforms. You can produce content in various formats such as articles, blog posts, ad copy, or social media content and sell them to clients. Podcasts or internet radio. By creating a podcast or internet radio program, you can discuss interesting topics and earn money through sponsorships or advertisements. Building a loyal listener base and effectively marketing your content is important. Content creation and affiliate marketing. If you are a skilled content creator, you can market your content through affiliate marketing programs. Affiliate marketing allows you to promote and earn a commission from specific products or services. For example, you can promote and earn a commission from the products of an e-commerce platform. Online courses. You can create online courses to share your knowledge and expertise. By offering your own courses on platforms like Udemy or Coursera, you can earn income. Additionally, you can sell your courses on your own website or create a membership-based platform for recurring income. Consulting and coaching services. If you have specialized knowledge in a particular area, you can offer consulting or coaching services. By providing information and guidance to people, you can earn income. For example, you can offer consulting or coaching services in digital marketing, healthy living, or personal development. Content marketing services for businesses. You can offer content marketing services to meet the content needs of businesses. This can include services like blog writing, social media management, or content strategy development. By providing these services, you can support businesses and receive payment in return. Advertising revenue. You can monetize your content by placing ads. You can partner with Google AdSense or other advertising networks to display ads in your content and earn income based on clicks or impressions. However, it's important to ensure that the ads do not disrupt your content or negatively impact the user experience. Events and seminars. You can earn money by participating as a speaker in events or seminars. By being invited as a speaker to events that cover topics of your interest, you can share your knowledge and earn income. These examples demonstrate different ways to monetize content marketing. The method you choose will depend on your expertise, interests, skills, target audience, and goals. The key is to create valuable content that resonates with your target audience and continually improve your content. Content marketing is a process that requires patience, learning, and constant refinement, so stay determined and track your successes. I hope this detailed write-up answers your curiosity about making money with content marketing. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.